Hello. So today we are going to see compare body tool. So compare body tool generally used for to analyze the geometrical differences between two or more solid bodies. Okay. So let's see how this command work. Right now we have two solid bodies, one solid body one and solid body two. Okay. So go to the command for menu analysis compare body. In compare body, if you reset the all the dialog first, then in control we are going to select this body 1, and in sample we are going to select body second. Okay, in action pan we are selecting comparison method as face, and freeze change criterion as we selecting any. Click on compare. After click on compare, we can easily see the differences between these two bodies. So here some changes are easily visible, then some changes are here. If you change the sample and control, here the control, here the sample, so you can here some changes are there, same here. Then we can see opposite side, holes are not drilled in second body. Then this is the extra part, this is also the extra part. Then we can see some changes here also. Okay, so this kind you can compare the geometrical differences. There's one more method, so you can highlight the geometrical differences. It's choose distance map and compare. In distance map, here they create one scale, and according to that scale it shows the differences. Okay, so here are some differences. Then these two material is added in second body. Then here this slot is missing. Then we can see here also some additional material in body 1. So by 2-3 way you can see the geometrical differences. One more very good method is go to the face, and in any go to the deviation and then click on compare. In this method they show the actual dimensional values and some dotted where changes are present. Okay, so here you can see the dots, the actual changes. So it's better to check 2-3 by using 3 methods to geometrical differences. Let's see how much model is going to be have 1.5, 1.5. Okay, so on clicking on report, so you can easily get this report, comparison report. Okay, so this is the command how it's work. Thank you.